ऊपर થઈ ગયો. So ready? Are we live now? Okay. Hello everybody. Namaste. Kem cho? How are you all? I hope you are all safe and secure and taking care of your families during this COVID-19 period. So this is Chef Ravi Joshi and I am going to live with Amul today, and it's a pleasure to be live on Amul today. As we know, Amul is a very nostalgic brand, and we have grown up with Amul since our childhood, and it's lots of more product like Amul cheese, Amul ghee, Amul milk, Amul chocolates, and lots more. So introduce myself. My name is Chef Ravi Joshi and I am from Bardoli, Surat, and I am the owner, head chef and founder of Ravi's Kitchen, which is located in Surat. So first of all, I would like to thank to Amul for this amazing platform and giving us this wonderful opportunity, and I would like to thanks to all of you for joining this live session on Amul Facebook page. So today we'll be using Amul product and making delicious dish. I have some Amul products that I want to show today. Amul diced cheddar cheese, Amul mozzarella cheese, Amul butter, Amul fresh cream, Amul Gold Taza, Amul processed cheese. Okay, so let's move on recipe. So today I'm going to make every kid's favorite recipe, and that is mac and cheese. And I'm going to twist it by creating a fusion between Italian and Mexican by adding some refried beans. So it will become mac and cheese with beans. And I'm going to serve it with a creamy coleslaw salad. So let's check the ingredients. For white sauce, Amul milk, Amul butter, corn flour, and for the vegetables, Amul butter, chopped onion, chopped bell peppers, chopped garlic, boiled yellow corn, boiled baby corn, baked beans, oregano, mixed herbs, red chili powder, tomato ketchup, Tabasco sauce, then black pepper, salt, diced cheddar, diced mozzarella, processed cheese, parmesan cheese, chili flakes, and elbow macaroni. Okay. So firstly I am going to make white sauce. So let's take a saucepan. Okay. Here's a 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of Amul butter, and 1 cup of Amul milk. So just mix this all ingredients. Make sure there are no lumps. Mix it very properly. Okay. So I am going to put this saucepan on heat. Again I repeat, I am adding in 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of Amul milk. Okay, let it cook till it thickens. Keep stirring, otherwise it's gonna be stick at bottom. You can also add nutmeg powder, black pepper powder in it, but I am not adding it because I am adding in vegetables and baked bean sauce. Milk is ready to boil and sauce is becoming thick. Keep stirring. Look at the consistency. Okay, so white sauce is ready. Okay, so let's boil the pasta. So I am taking 1 liter of water and 100 grams of pasta, 1 cup of pasta. Okay, so first of all we will boil the water. You can check the recipe in description box. I am already mentioned over there. If you have any questions, kindly mention in comment box. Now I am adding right amount of salt. And very less amount of oil. The ratio for water is 1 liter water and 100 gram pasta. So mix it. I am taking elbow macaroni. Now water is boiled. Now add the pasta. When you add the pasta, as soon as possible stir it, because we don't want pasta stick together. There is one thing to keep in your mind, that when you add the salt in water, okay, you need to add the salt at this point only, otherwise it will not absorb the flavor of salt and your pasta will become little bland. Okay, and one more thing, I am not adding too much of oil in pasta because if you have more oil over the pasta, it will not coat the sauce easily. So make sure. There are two tips for you while you boiling the pasta. Okay, it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. We have to cook it to 70 to 80% till al dente. Now what is al dente? Al dente means slightly undercooked pasta. Okay, so if you take a bite, you should feel a bite. तो आपको जब पास्ता खा रहे हो तो आपको एक फील लगना चाहिए कि मैं पास्ता खा रहा हूँ. तो अपने को ज़्यादा ओवर कुक नहीं करना है. और मैक्रोनी विल नॉट टेक सो टाइम. Let's check it. It will take more 1 minute. I am showing you the recipe from home today because at Ravi's kitchen there is a cleaning and sanitization process is going on. So I have to show you the recipe from home today. We will start from tomorrow onwards. That's why. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe the YouTube channel for Ravi's Kitchen. And the link is given in description box. Now I am checking. Okay, so it's done. I check if anyone having questions. Okay. Recipe name is mac and cheese with beans. I am using baked beans of Golden Crown Company. It is easily available in all stores and markets. So now pasta is ready. Once the pasta is cooked, add 1 cup of cold water. So it stopped the cooking process. Now I'm straining it pasta. Now I'm saute the vegetables and baked beans. So let's take a fry pan. Okay, so I'm gonna heat up the 1 tablespoon of butter, Amul butter, and teaspoon of olive oil. Look at that Amul butter. Wow. Once the Amul butter is nicely melted, I am going to add chopped onion, just cook them for 1 minute. Don't let them brown. Okay, now I am adding chopped bell peppers. It's a red, yellow and green. Chopped garlic, boiled yellow corn, boiled baby corn, and half cup of big beans. Mix this everything. So many of vegetables. Now I am going to add oregano, mix herbs, red chili powder, tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, some crushed black pepper, mix everything well. Cook the baked beans for 3 to 4 minutes, at least 3 to 4 minutes, till it's nice and dry. If you want your mac and cheese more creamy, then you should boil your pasta in milk instead of water. It's a very good source of vitamin, protein, vitamin A, vitamin B, protein and calcium. And I'm going to serve it with a creamy coleslaw salad. Okay, you can also serve with roasted tomatoes and mushroom, sprout Caesar salad, parmesan sweet potato, and salt and vinegar cucumber. There are the accompaniments of the mac and cheese. Look at the texture. You can refrigerate this pasta in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days. It's a boiled pasta. Okay, and reheat the pasta in your favorite sauce. Tomato sauce from baked beans nicely dried out. So now I am going to add white sauce. Mix everything. Wow. Now I am going to add cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of mozzarella, 2 tablespoons of processed cheese, Amul processed cheese, Amul cheddar cheese and Amul mozzarella cheese. Let the cheese melt nicely. Recipe name is a mac and cheese, so we have to add lot of cheese in there. Recipe name is mac and cheese with beans. Okay. Someone asked me what if electricity goes now, so we can put it on the gas on. Okay, now cheese is melt. Okay. Now I am adding salt at this stage. Salt as per your taste. Okay. And boiled macaroni. Stir it. Now it's ready, and I'm going to sprinkle some leftover cheese. I am using cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, processed cheese. Parmesan, if you have. Chili flakes. Black pepper, just little. Okay, at this stage you put it in a preheated oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, but I am not going to bake this. Just close the lid and I am going to cook it for very low medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. So meanwhile I am going to make a creamy coleslaw salad. So I am going to make a creamy coleslaw salad. So look at the ingredients for that. Chopped cabbage, carrot for the crunchiness, chopped apple, it's optional. Raisins, it's a seedless. Black pepper, sugar, salt, mayonnaise, and Amul fresh cream. So now I am going to add a half cup of mayonnaise. And half cup of Amul fresh cream. Now mix it well till it's thick. It's a very good combination of creamy coleslaw salad with mac and cheese, with beans. You can also use it in sandwich. Now the mixture is thick. Okay. Now I'm going to add sugar. You can also use powder sugar. Some black pepper, salt, mix it again. Now add chopped apple, it's optional. Black raisins. Now mix it well. Now I'm going to add thinly chopped cabbage. You can also use proper cabbage. Julienne carrots. I'm taking 1 carrot. Okay. Now again mix it properly. This is the creamy coleslaw salad. Now it's ready. Now I'm going to check the mac and cheese with beans. Wow. Now it's ready to serve. So now we plate this. Wow. Look at the color and texture. Look at the elasticity of cheese. Okay. Sprinkle with some Parmesan cheese. And serve the creamy coleslaw salad. Okay. Garnish with black raisins. So that's it. Mac and cheese with beans with creamy coleslaw salad. I'm checking the questions. ઓનિયન ને હાઈ ફ્લેમ પર થવા દેવાના. યસ, ઓનિયન ને હાઈ ફ્લેમ પર કૂક કરવાના છે 1 મિનિટ સુધી. So hello, welcome to all of you all, and I hope you all enjoying this recipe, and thank you so much to Amul for this beautiful opportunity. And any questions left, I will check in comment box, and I will answer it on comment box. So please tell me how you like this recipe on my page or Amul page. So thank you so much, and please enjoy my recipe mac and cheese with beans and creamy coleslaw salad. The kids just loving this. And stay safe and stay at home and stay secure. Now I'm going to taste it. Yummy. You can try this to your home. Definitely your kids will love it. And any questions?
Yes.
Salad, which salad is this? Actually this is a creamy coleslaw salad and a white sauce. What is the white sauce in salad? Can you please repeat? There is a Amul fresh cream and mayonnaise. I am making a creamy coleslaw salad. I mentioned the ingredients on the comment box. Please kindly check it. Okay. So now it's time to go for bye. Thank you so much again, Amul, and thank you so much to all of you for joining on this Amul Facebook page. And I hope you all enjoyed this recipe and kindly let me know feedback. Thank you so much. These are the ingredients which I use to do these recipes. Amul cheddar cheese, Amul butter, Amul mozzarella cheese, Amul processed cheese, Amul fresh cream, Amul taza, Amul gold. So thank you so much guys. Bye.